how to flip an egg like a pro. First thing first, may be obvious but use a non-stick pan. Let your egg cook till the bottom is hard. Flip with your spatula with care. If the heat is stronger, the bottom will be ready faster and the yolk won't cook like it is hard-boiled. Do not do it too early. You need to wait for the cooked part of the egg to develop a strong texture before it will support its own weight. It's very difficult to turn a floppy, soft egg, where it's comparatively easy to flip an egg that has been cooked more completely on one side. The spatula you use can make a difference. It must be a plastic one with a relatively thin, flexible blade. The really heavy spatulas tend to be too tall and push the egg rather than sneak under it. If you spoon a little of the frying oil over the top of the egg whilst it is cooking, this will help to set the top of the egg, making less likely to tear apart or break the yolk when you do flip it. Also try and flip with the yolk near the bottom of the spatula so it has less distance to travel and will be less likely to break. Another nice technique would be to cook the bottom to nearly done, then toss a teaspoon or two of water into the pan, then clap a lid on it. The steam will cook the tops of the eggs nicely. The pan must be as clean as possible, and the fat as pure as possible. Also, you can try cooking the egg on a lower heat so as to stop it sticking to the pan. When you're ready to flip the egg, pick the pan off the burner, swirl the pan around gently to make sure the egg is loose and isn't sticking to the pan. Once you are confident the egg is loose, flip it in the air with your wrist, by making a forward, then quick upward motion. The egg should flip in the air only a couple of inches. With practice, you'll be able to get the egg to land perfectly every time, without breaking the yolk, and without folding. It does take practice. But it's worth it, in my opinion. Not only does this produce the prettiest eggs possible, but it also makes you look like a kitchen ninja if you're cooking in front of friends. Practice with a piece of bread and a cool pan, until you can get the bread to flip over exactly once. Of course the bread won't break if you flip too hard. So practice until you can get your bread to flip clean over with the least amount of force possible. In conclusion, here are the 9 steps to flip an egg without using spatula. 1. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium-high. 2. Add a small amount, half of a teaspoon vegetable oil and carefully swirl to coat, or use some butter or non-stick spray. 3. Crack an egg into the skillet. 4. When the white begins to set firm, gently swirl the egg around the pan to coat the surface with oil and prevent the egg from sticking. 5. Pick pan up and turn away from the burner element. You do not want to flip over the burner as the oil is flammable and will catch on fire if it hits the burner. 6. Angle the opposite side of the pan downwards and gently flick the wrist forward and then back towards you in a quick circular motion to roll the egg over. 7. Once the egg is flipped, continue cooking to desired crispiness. Don't move the egg initially, 5 to 10 seconds, as this can break the yolk even if it didn't break during the flip. 8. Repeat flipping technique to return the egg to the original side. 9. Remove from heat and carefully tilt the skillet to slide onto a plate.